In a sunlit kitchen, a hyperactive host faces a smart fridge that bursts into neon emojis and cheerfully heckles every move. When milk shakes, the fridge barks declarations of dramatic exits, while the host pretends a dairy conspiracy is unfolding. A timer chirps and the fridge recites ancient proverbs about patience, turning seconds into epic montages of exaggerated sighs. The counter crew erupts in comic chaos as lettuce performs a cha-cha and the blender spins a dramatic soap opera. By the finale, the host high-fives the screen, declaring victory over gadgets that turn everyday meals into ridiculous adventures.